Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition renders present a vision of what could be coming for Samsung's second flagship series. The future of the Galaxy Note series may remain uncertain, but Let's Go Digital has imagined what a Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition could look like. Anyway, with an understated design, the Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition presented here may appeal to fans of clean-looking smartphones. Hey, what's up everyone? Anwar here. And this is Tech New Leaks. So let's get started. Let's Go Digital has published detailed render of how a Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition could look, and it has got fans of the Note series excited. It remains unclear if Samsung plans to release another Galaxy Note series smartphone, which would typically arrive in the second half of the year. In January, Samsung indicated that only the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series were parts of its premium segment for 2021, for example, which seemed at odds with a statement that the company made a month before to South Korean media. Samsung has never introduced a Note smartphone without a S Pen. You can therefore assume that this stylus will be included again this year. Should a Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition be introduced, it is likely that this model will also have a stylus compartment to store the stylus. This is not the case with the S21 Ultra. The S Pen is optional there. In addition, Samsung has designed covers with a stylus storage compartment. Nonetheless, Rose Young of Display Supply Chain Consultant believes that Samsung may release a Galaxy Note Fan Edition even if the company fails to release proper successor to last year's Galaxy Note 20 and Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. In that vein, Let's Go Digital has combined the design language of the Galaxy S21 series with the additional functionality that the Galaxy Note series has. Accordingly, the Note 21 Fan Edition renders have the sweeping camera housing from the Galaxy S21 series along with the iconic S Pen. Let's Go Digital and Sonorian have stuck with Samsung Infinity O display design too, which the company continues to be fond of for some reason. If Samsung plans to release a new Galaxy Note smartphone in any form this year, then we would expect it to arrive in most countries with an Exynos 2100 chipset. Other markets like China and the US would probably receive a Snapdragon 888 powered variant, though based on previous Galaxy S and Galaxy Note releases. If Samsung will indeed release a Fan Edition, then it is in the line of the expectation that this will be a cheaper model, all the more because the prices of the already available models have dropped considerably in the meantime. At the time of uploading this video, you can buy the Note 20 5G for €790 only. So what do you guys think about this video? Would you be interested in buying Samsung Galaxy Note 21 Fan Edition this year? Leave a comment down. If you have enjoyed the video, then a like would be cherished. Thank you.